Hello, my name is Jason Lajara, and welcome to the FAL Consulting Minute, your number one source for educational crypto content in under around 10 minutes. Today is Monday, August 1st, 2022, and on today's show, we're going to be going over the top 10 cryptos for the day, as well as Bored Ape Yacht Club starting their own news outlet, and FTX is expanding overseas. All that and more on today's FAL Crypto Minute. But before we get into the news stories, let's go over the top 10 cryptos for the day. And number one is Bitcoin at $22,943, down 4.58%. And number two is Ethereum at $1,628, down 6.42%. And number three is Tether. And number four is USDC. And number five is BNB at $278, down 5.75%. And number six is XRP at 37 cents, down 6.18%. And number seven, we have Binance USD. And number 8 is Cardano at 50 cents, down 7.11%. And number 9 is Solana at $41, down 8.36%. And at number 10, we have Dogecoin at 67 cents, down 5.97%. That was your top 10 cryptos for the day. I recorded this at 2:25 in the afternoon. Moving into our first news story, Bored Ape Yacht Club has started a news outlet. Even as the NFT market dwindles, the Bored Ape Yacht Club continues to make waves within the space. This time through the announcement of a news outlet focused on everything ape. The ApeCoin DAO is a decentralized organization that utilizes the cryptocurrency ApeCoin as its governance token and who have now voted in favor of funding the Bored Ape Gazette news site. The vote, named AIP70, passed with strenuous support from the community, with 1.1 million ApeCoins voting to launch the site and 149,000 ApeCoins voting to stop the proposed use of $150,000 to fund its site. The Bored Ape Gazette will cover all things Bored Ape Yacht Club, as well as Keno Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and the upcoming Yuga Labs developed metaverse game, Other Side. The allocated funds will be used to pay the site's sole writer, Kyle Swenson, $7,000 a month to write more official content for the NFT community, with its planned focus being on ApeCoin DAO news and a bi-weekly Bored Ape Gazette newsletter. An NFT is a deed of ownership over an item, often represented in digital forms like paintings, profile pictures, video game items, sports memorabilia, movie, and comic collectibles. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is arguably the most famous and successful NFT project in the space, with the original 10,000 profile pictures generating over $2.2 billion worth of trading volume to date. AIPU70 also detailed plans to add price trackers for ApeCoin, as well as trackers for activity on the Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant Ape Yacht Club, and Bored Ape Kennel Club, and other deed Ethereum NFT collections. The remaining funds are being used to pay freelance writers $100 a story, with the intention to hire more writers dedicated to the Bored Ape community. This is a community paper that should be written by members of the ape community, the proposal reads. The proposal should elevate traffic coming to the Bored Ape Gazette, as the site only has seen a slim 52,400 total visits since its launch over a year ago in June 2021. Some are arguing that an outlet written by Bored Ape Yacht Club holders and funded by ApeCoin could easily slant towards biased reporting, especially when one considers that editor-in-chief, Swenson, is a long-time Bored Ape Yacht Club holder himself. Objective reporting is important to me, Swenson told Decrypt via Twitter DM. The Gazette will always be a voice for the community, and I work hard to be balanced when covering any story. The Gazette doesn't promote, it reports the news the apes need to know, he added. Swenson, who lives in Florida, has a background with the Orlando Business Journal, as he was a two-time Dow Jones News Fund intern, and has experience in the editor-in-chief position when he ran the Independent Night News covering the University of Central Florida. Swenson said his goal with the site is to filter through the noise that exists on social media. My goal is to never tell people what to think, Swenson said. My goal has been and always will be to bring the community the important information that they need to make their own decisions. The Bored Apes continue to show their dedication toward its communities and NFTs as a whole, even during these uncertain times. If you are a holder, you can be assured of your community's continued success. Moving into our next story, FTX begins expansions overseas. Crypto exchange FTX has received the green light to operate an exchange and clearinghouse service in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the firm announced today. FTX Exchange FCE, a subsidiary of FTX Europe, won approval to enter Dubai's Minimum Value Product (MVP) program for virtual assets. The license comes from the jurisdiction's Virtual Asset Regulatory Authority, VARA, which Dubai created in March of this year to handle virtual asset regulation as it seeks to become a hub for the digital economy. It's an affiliated agency of the Dubai World Trade Center regulating crypto activity from custodians to asset managers. The MVP phase, exclusive to select responsible international players like XTX, will allow VARA to prudently structure guidelines and risk mitigation levers from secure commercial operations, said H.E. Hilal Saeed, Alamari, Director General of Dubai World Trade Center Authority. FTX is the first virtual asset provider to receive a license according to the announcement. It enables FTX to operate its exchange and clearinghouse services, offering crypto derivative products and trading services to qualified institutional investors across the region. It also includes licensure to operate its non-fungible token marketplace and custody services. FTX received partial approval in March, at which time it said it planned to anchor a regional headquarters in Dubai once it received full licenses. The crypto exchange Binance has also been winding its way through the regulatory process, nabbing a limited license from Vera in April of this year. The majority of trades on crypto exchange FTX US's new stock application have been of fractional variety, leading the company to waive fees for such trades moving forward, the company told Blockworks. The U.S. affiliate of the crypto exchange FTX, which revealed plans to launch a commission-free stock trading platform in May, officially unveiled the app Wednesday. Several thousand people from a waitlist participated in its private beta stage in recent months. Several thousand people from a waitlist have participated in its private beta stage in the past recent months. And on Wednesday, it became available to residents in all 50 states, FTX US President Brett Harrison said in a tweet. FTX US is the U.S. affiliate of crypto exchange FTX. The app launched with 970 tickers available to trade, including stocks, ETFs, and American depository receipts, and plans to add thousands more in time. Ultimately, Harrison said FTX US hopes to allow users to trade stock options. Harrison declined to share the number of users or trading volume FTX stocks booked in its first day, but noted that he was surprised to see the high amount of trades that represented less than one share of a stock. People are showing interest in trading $100 of Tesla stock, for example, Harrison noted. Despite a share of Tesla being worth, as of Friday afternoon, nearly $900, that is very clearly an important part of the platform, he said. And in fact, we're going to make all trades underneath one share be free. Excluding the free fractional shares trading, FTX stocks will charge a fee representing 0.05% of the notional value of the trade, or 1 cent per share, whichever is lower, beginning October 1st. The goal there is to have a fully transparent, very clearly well-defined fee as opposed to a sort of hidden cost associated with payment for order flow, Harrison said. FTX continues to show why they are frontrunners within the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, from Bahamas expansion, European markets, and getting approved in Dubai as well. They are building relationships with governments and lawmakers around the world, which will be needed to operate legally and fluently in all these countries after all the news coming to light about operations and risk. And that was your FAL Crypto Minute for August 1st, 2022. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in. You can follow me on Twitter over at crypto_Lajara. That's crypto_Lajara. You can follow the official FAL Crypto Consultants Twitter over at CryptoFAL. That's CryptoFAL. FAL is a one-stop shop for all your cryptocurrency needs, from answering questions for new people to bigger institutional clients. We're there for you. Regardless if you're a small business or bank, we'll make sure to take a tailored approach to all your needs. Our team houses specialists in all areas of cryptocurrency, from mining, trading, creating NFTs, DAOs, staking, and lending questions to general market research. Go to cryptofal.com to learn more.